respect to our chairman, Dr. Gajanand Kote sir, principal, Dr. K.R. Joshi madam, and vice principal and HOD EMTC, Dr. Mrs. R.S. Kamke madam. We are starting with the day 2 of AICTE Atal sponsored 6 days FTP on emerging technologies in 5G communication and beyond. Yesterday, we had a wonderful session by our keynote speaker, Dr. Jayanta Mukherjee, and the noon session by Dr. Arnav Das sir. So today, we'll start with the session. Today's brief schedule, our first session will be conducted by Dr. P.H. Rao sir, Director General, Samir, followed by article discussion, and the noon session will be conducted by Mr. Manish Khandelwal. And today's day will conclude with a hands-on session with the lab view. So to start with today's session, I would like to call upon Mr. Rupali Chaudhary madam to start the session.
Good morning to one and all. I am Rupali Chaudhary, coordinator of the 6 days FTP sponsored program on emerging technologies in 5G communication and beyond. I take this opportunity to introduce Dr. P.H. Rao sir from Samir, Mumbai. In brief, I will let you know what is Samir all about. So it stands for Society for Applied Microwave Electronics Engineering and Research. It is an autonomous R&D institution under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, a body of Government of India. It was set up as an autonomous R&D lab under the Department of Electronics with a broad mandate to undertake R&D work in the areas of microwave engineering and electromagnetic engineering technology. All over India, it has 5 research centers at Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Visakhapatnam and Guwahati. Now, about the work done at Mumbai they pursue research and development in the field of optoelectronics, medical electronics, radar-based instrumentation, atmospheric remote sensing and meteorology, RF and microwave systems and components, and many more. Today's keynote speaker, Dr. P. Hanumanta Rao, is the Director General at Mumbai Center. Dr. P.H. Rao has completed his BTech from SV University, MS from BITS, Pilani, and PhD from the Queen's University, Belfast, UK. He has more than 34 years of experience in research and development in RF microwaves and millimeter wave technologies for strategic and civilian sectors. He has been working in Samir for the past 32 years after a brief stay at Space Application Center SAC, which is at ISRO in Ahmedabad. As a scientist in the initial part of his career and later as a senior member of the organization, he has been actively involved in the implementation of various future-driven next-generation technologies for both strategic and societal applications for DRDO, NITI, Government of India and DOT. He has been a part of multi-institute collaborative research which includes IIT Mumbai, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, IIT Hyderabad, IISc and Samir. They involve in collaborative research towards the development of indigenous 5G solutions. He was a part of 5G team and demonstrated for the first time in India a fully functional MIMO and massive MIMO subsystems at sub-6 GHz band and integrated millimeter wave tiled phased array antennas. He was instrumental in building indigenous technologies, R&D facilities and executed various strategic projects to address the denied technologies to India. He actively participates in developing